Hi, I'm Ghena from Bina Sarana Informatika University with student ID number 19252057. Have you ever seen people doing this? Smoking on campus. What do you think about it? Did you know one of the causes of increased pollution in Indonesia is smoking? Cigarette smoke contains at least 85% gas and 15% particles that are inhaled by humans. Cigarette smoke contains hundreds of harmful chemicals. There is nicotine, which is addictive, tar, which sticks to the lung, and there is carbon monoxide, a toxic gas that should never enter our bodies. Perhaps for some people, smoking is just a way to relieve stress. But have they ever thought that what they release into the air is not just smoke, but smoke that can affect the health of others who inhale it? In my opinion, smoking on campus is disrespectful. They only think of themselves. Campus should be a clean place, free of cigarette smoke. There are several campuses that have implemented rules prohibiting smoking on campus. One example, like Bina Sarana Informatika University. This is a good thing. In addition to protecting the health of students and staff, this rule was made because campus is not just a place to study, but also a place where we shape our character and healthy lifestyle habits. If we get used to keeping the campus environment free of cigarette smoke from now on, then later, when we enter workforce or society, we will also carry this good habit with us. I know it's not easy to quit smoking, but change always starts with small steps, right? So nothing impossible. Let's make the campus a place that is not only full of knowledge, but also full of care for others and the environment. Next time you see someone lighting a cigarette around campus, don't just stand by. Remind them politely, like, "Bro, this campus is for learning, not for smoking." Like that, because clean air is everyone's right. So, starting now, let's keep our campus free from cigarette smoke. Thank you for watching and see you! Hi, I'm Ghena from Bina Sarana Informatika University with student ID number 19252057. This time, I will explain about the present continuous tense. What is the present continuous tense and when is it used? Let's take a look at the next slide. Here is a picture of someone eating spaghetti. And here are two pictures of people doing different activities. In the first picture, we can see that they are cooking, and the second picture, there is a man playing a game. What does this mean? Okay, I will explain what the present continuous is in the next slide. Present continuous. The present continuous tense describes actions that are currently happening or ongoing. It consists of two parts: the present tense of the verb to be am, is, are, and the present participle of the main verb ending in in. The verb to be is used as follows: am for the subject I, is for the subjects he, she, and it, and are for the subjects you, they, and we. Verbs in the present continuous tense always end in, such as sleep becomes sleeping, eat becomes eating, drink becomes drinking, walk becomes walking, and talk becomes talking. When is this tense used? First, activities at the moment of speaking. We can use it to talk about certain kinds of action or situation. Example, I'm just leaving work, I'll be home in an hour. Please be quiet, the children are sleeping. Second, future plans or arrangement. We use it to describe something that has been planned for the near future. For example, Mary is going to a new school next term. What are we doing next week? Third, expressing temporary situations. When something happens for a short time, not permanently. Example, he is living with his parents for now. They are staying at a hotel until their house is ready. Fourth, changing or developing situations. When something is in progress or gradually changing. Example, his English is getting better. This is the formula used to make positive sentences in the present continuous tense. The formula is subject plus am, is, or are plus present participle and in. Example, she is dancing at a party, or I am writing a letter to my friend. For negative sentences, the formula is almost the same as the formula for positive sentences, but with the addition of not after to be. Example, he is not sleeping, and they are not watching TV right now. And this is the formula used to make question. The formula is am, is, or are plus subject plus present participle and in plus question mark. Example, are they studying for their exams? And are they playing? The present continuous tense usually use same expression in the sentence. These are phrases or words that generally indicate when an action is happening. They are not tied to a specific point in time. Examples of common time expressions: now, at the moment, currently, right now, today, this week, or this month, or this year. This expression refers to a particular point in time or a specific time frame. Example, at 3 o'clock, at noon, in the evening, on Monday, tomorrow, or next month. In addition to the active form, the present continuous tense can also be used in the passive voice to emphasize the object rather than the subject. You need to use the present continuous passive to describe situations that are currently in progress, but the main focus is on the result or object and not the subject. The difference is active voice tense form that focuses on the doer of the action. Passive voice tense form that focuses on the receiver of the action. This is the positive form of the passive voice present continuous. The formula is object plus is, am, or are plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus the doer. Active, he is writing a book. Passive, a book is being written by him. Another example is active, Brenda is taking English classes at this university. Passive, at the university, English classes are being taken by Brenda. And active, the police are interrogating him right now. Passive, he is being interrogated by the police. Note, when you speak sentences in passive voice, the doer generally is not mentioned as it is less important or already understood. Example, his interview is being taken. The next video is being made. This is the negative form. Object plus is or am or are plus not plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus the door. Active, she is not cleaning the room. Passive, the room is not being cleaned by her. This is the interrogative form. Is or am or are plus object plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus that girl plus question mark. Example, active. She is always losing a pen. Passive, a pen is always being lost by her. So, the present continuous tense is useful for describing activities that are happening, plans for the near future, or change that are taking place both in the active and passive form. That was an explanation of the present continuous tense. I hope you now understand what the present continuous tense is, when to use it, and can apply it well in everyday conversation. Thank you for your attention and see you!